Hello and welcome. I am Tahir. In this video, I will show you how to install Joomla in Linux. I have already installed XAMPP server on my Linux distribution. I am using Linux Lite, but it doesn't matter which distribution you are using. You can install XAMPP server for any other distribution very easily. I have published some videos. I will share link in the video description. So let's see how to install Joomla on your local host. Joomla is a user-friendly way for people all over the world to build anything from basic website to advanced web applications. As you can see, Joomla describes here. Actually, Joomla is a content management system to easily create different type of websites, and it is a very popular content management system. Currently runs 10% of the world's business website. You can even use launch.joomla.org to test how Joomla works, but I prefer to install Joomla, WordPress and other content management systems on my local distribution. So simply go to downloads.joomla.org and download the latest version. And you also need to install the XAMPP server. I have already installed XAMPP server. Now you need to launch the terminal. You can simply go to start and search for terminal. After installing XAMPP server, you need to run your XAMPP server. So you need to type this command. Type your password, and now you can see all services are running, so you can launch this page. You just need to visit localhost and you will see this page, and from this page you need to go to phpMyAdmin. You can open this in a new tab. Now go to databases and create database. I'm going to create Joomla. You can name your database anything you like. Now if you go to downloads folder, our download is complete. We need to extract these files. So you can see all the files. So let's open as an administrator. Type your password. Now copy this, go to file system, opt, lamp and htdocs folder. You can paste it here. But now we need to extract these files. To create a new folder and name it Joomla. Extract all these files in this Joomla folder. We have successfully created all these files. Now you can close this. Go to your browser and type localhost /Joomla, and here you can see the installer. First of all, you need to select your language, your site name, anything you like, to create a blog.com. Type your email, username and password. Set the site front end offline when installation is completed. This site can be set online later on through the global configuration. So you can check no. Click next button. Database type is MySQL. Host name is localhost and username is root. Password is blank and database name is Joomla that we created earlier. And this is our table prefix. Click next. No, we don't want to enable FTP layer, and click next. Finalization. Now you can see some more options. You can install the sample data for blog in English, brochure English, default English, and learn Joomla English. So it will install the sample data. You can choose none. The default option is none, required for basic native multilingual sites creation. You can see some more settings, overview, email configuration, send configuration settings to tahirtaus@gmail.com by email after installation. You can check or uncheck this. Here you can see our main configuration. Site is not offline, our email, our username, and all other details. Now click install. It will take few seconds to complete the installation. And once the installation is complete, you can log into your Joomla dashboard to manage your Joomla site. Now here you can see success message. Congratulations, Joomla is now installed. Now if you want to install Joomla in your own language, you can take some extra steps to install languages, and you can see some other options. Message, please remember to completely remove the installation folder. You will not be able to proceed beyond this point until the installation folder has been removed. This is a security feature of Joomla. So you can click on this, remove installation folder. Copy this, and here you can see a notice. Your configuration file or folder is not writable to their writable, or there was a problem creating the configuration file. You will have to upload the following code by hand. Select the text area to highlight all of the code and then paste it into new text file. Name this file configuration.php and upload it to your site root folder. So if we go to site root folder, create a new file and paste all this code here. Save these changes, and here you can see we need to name this file configuration.php. Copy, open this file, and let's save this file as configuration.php file. And here you can see our file. Now we can remove this file. And we also need to delete this folder, so let's delete this one. Let's go to localhost Joomla. Here you can see Joomla has been successfully installed. And let's try to log in. Username is Tahir and your chosen password. My username is Tahir. Yours will be different. And now I am logged in. Now we are logged in, but we cannot see our Joomla dashboard. So if you want to view the dashboard, you need to type administrator. Now type your username and password, and here you can see your Joomla dashboard.